Hello, traders and grad of Finland Academy. In the weekly update, let's analyze the market for what we expect next week. The previous week was a strong decline in the markets, broad market plus most of the sectorial indices. It hit the resistance around here, and now we are seeing a continuous decline for the last 5 to 7 days. Now, markets are very crucially poised. Why? Because it has reached the budget low. What is the significance of budget low? The significance was that low acted as a pivot for the markets to see the short-term upside. But having said that, there is no signs of yet reversal in the market, but we are approaching a very crucial level. What is that level? We all know that the long-term average is the 200-day moving average. For the past, we have seen that 200-day average, once prices reach there, we should take a note of it. Previously, if you see within this rally, when I say within this rally, which was the most recent bottom, markets have posed the rise, given a pullback to the 200-day moving average and seen a uptick. Will the same get repeated or not? All we currently say that is prices are trading around the 200-day moving average. Plus, there is this weekly support at the weekly low of October. So, can we whipsaw the 200-day moving average? Whipsawing means momentarily we can break up below the average. Yes, it is possible. So we are not saying that market will reverse here, but we are trying to see that this zone between 7,237 to 16,700, we should see a short-term reversal of this current downswing. So the trend is clearly down. Within this downtrend, markets, if you see, are moving in a downward sloping channel. It did give a false breakout, but it was just a red candle above this. So right from the current levels, see 200-day moving average are levels which all the traders and investors do watch. It's quite obvious to get a knee-jerk reaction or a high volatility around here. But a one-day break of 200-day moving average should not be seen as a reason for strong declines. Right? Sharp intraday decline or a day or two is possible. So as a trader, I'm looking for signs of short-term reversal from 17,200 levels all the way to 17,627 next week. The trend is still down, so even if prices reverse from here, it will be a counter trend trade or a pullback move on the upside towards the middle Bollinger Bands. Why? Because on short-term price charts, prices are highly oversold and approaching the average plus the lower trend line of the falling channel plus the weekly support band. So this is the area which traders should watch out for. Having said that, what would be the on the price chart? We will be looking at a daily reversal candle in form of a hammer or a bullish engulfing or a bullish piercing. We need a confirmatory candle at at these support levels to tell us that a pullback is now in offing. So we are very close to a short-term low in price and still within the channel. So the range remains with high volatility 17,750 to 16,750. So it's a intra month, it's a broad 1,000 points range in which the index is trading both the lower end and the upper end of the channel. Similarly, on Bank Nifty also, we have a similar reading. Bank Nifty did give a green candle around here, but today it was the gap up was sold into. So yet we are not having any confirmatory signals as to a short-term low. For Bank Nifty, the 200 DA moving average is around 39,000. And if I go to the weekly support levels, like Nifty, even Bank Nifty has weekly support around 39 to 37, 7,500. So it's a 1500 points range. And in Bank Nifty, if I mark a channel connecting two highs and extend it, Bank Nifty, if you see, it whipsawed this channel, went below that. So this channel will not be a valid one anymore. So the short term declines is likely to continue. But as a trader, I'll watch for reversal signs around the support bands in both the indices which I have mentioned by way of a bullish reversal candle. And the stock is Asian Paints. If you look at the daily chart, it will tell us that Asian Paint is in a very strong decline. But this decline on the short to medium term, we are looking for where it is likely to fizzle out for either a counter trend move or a trend reversal. So once you see a sharp such declines in price, always go to your higher time frame chart. So we are starting with the monthly charts. In the monthly chart, you can clearly make out that Asian Paint is in this trading band for the last 1 year, more than a year's time. So in two occasions, this low acted as a pivot for a pullback. Again, this low acted as a pivot for a pullback. Again, prices are approaching the same low. Will it break? Will it hold? See, the in short term and the medium term trend for the stock is down, and the long term trend is sideways. So once a stock is sideways, we take a note of it. Will break of this trigger a strong slide? My answer would be it's too highly oversold. So for Asian Paint, if you see the monthly, this is from where it took a pause and rallied. Right? And every time there is this doji on the monthly, which is acting as a support for the stock. So twice prices reached into this monthly zone, which is between 2689 to 2470, and saw a decent rise, which was this candle. Again, it reached that level. Again, prices are approaching the same level, and again, I repeat, at these levels, prices are highly oversold on the short term charts. So your risk management levels will be around 27, 2470 odd levels. And if I mark the channel over here, so I'll take this high. This was the low. It did respect this plus the channel low, and you had a bounce or a pullback, which was a strong enough. Again, similarly, if I mark a channel here, I take the high, I join the lows. This was the low prior to that. Again, it is approaching the lower boundary of the channel. So this with the risk management at 2470, short and medium term traders should look for long opportunities in Asian Paint between 2690 to 2740. So that was the weekly update on the broad market. Plus, we have scanned the stocks for you, Asian Paint, in which there might be a clear long trading opportunities going forward either next week or next month in the stock. Happy trading, everybody.